This article is your first kind of news piece, actually. So in this article, we're focusing on information, giving just the facts. That doesn't mean that we don't have an introduction about any conclusion. It doesn't mean that we don't use description and we're not making it interesting. In fact, we are. And so we're going to try to describe an event or describe a happening to our audience. So you need to first kind of choose something, and if anything's difficult here, that's the difficulty. It can be any event happening in your local life, or it could be a national event too, but it's something that you need to kind of see firsthand. So for instance, you can watch a C-SPAN or even a recorded C-SPAN and then do a news piece on any congressional hearing or congressional discussion or debate or what have you. It could be again on the politics side, you could do you could watch, for instance, a debate of one of the congressional candidates for Republicans or Democrats. There are all kinds of other things. You can go to a meeting. You can go to a town hall. You can do anything that's a public happening. You can even go to a show or go to anything that's a public event, a grand opening, per se. But either way, I want you to basically make sure you're going there as a journalist and you're kind of going to explain why this thing's important for people and what happened. And you're going to focus on trying to just write out the information in a journalistic kind of way. So we'll focus your attention on introducing the event and then kind of explaining the different happenings. You want to try to grab some quotations from either attendees or from the main show voters, from the people who are there and presenting. So get some quotations. Pictures would be great too if you can do that. And so once you compile all that stuff, including your pre-preparation to the event, your notes during the event, and you can even do some writing afterwards, I think you'll be pretty well prepared to sit down for that 2.5 hour block and just kind of write out your informational news piece. The key here is to not include opinion. And if you're including analysis, you want it to be as close to the facts as possible. Make it explanation that 95% of the people would agree on if you were to make that inference, okay? So, and also we want to make it interesting too, okay? So that means knowing our audience and knowing how to construct the general article in a way that kind of moves the reader into it, through it, and beyond it. Okay, so I hope that helps you get situated a little bit. If you have questions, get a hold of me, but go ahead and click on down, look at the prompt, and I'd say get to work on it. The first thing is to figure out what you're gonna report on. Okay, good luck.